Bitcoin is going to be headed for a massive new week next week. A big breakout is going to be inevitable outside of this megaphone pattern and this symmetrical triangle. So we need to be talking about that exactly and much more. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look in towards the short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin, of course, is still trading inside of the weekend. We are perfectly, actually very boring, just consolidating it around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at the 58.9k level. So yeah, consolidating it around this level, and it is going to be very likely that at the beginning of next week, we are going to be returning towards this level to be filling up this CME gap. Now, do keep in mind that the last 2 weekends have been filled with a lot of volatility. Actually, at the end of the weekend, we always had a very sharp move towards the downside, so just keep that in mind. Now, it is going to be very likely that we are just going to be consolidating sideways, but yeah, do keep in mind that the last few weekends we have seen a sharp decline during the end of the weekend. But anyways, yes, Bitcoin is just consolidating, very boring right now, inside of this range over here. After this massive crash we saw this relief rally, this relief bounce towards the upside. Right now Bitcoin is consolidating inside of this range, and we are going to be choosing if we are either going to be seeing this big breakout towards the upside or a break towards the downside. Now, I do think it doesn't really matter which direction we are going to be breaking in towards in the short term. If we are going to be seeing a break towards the downside, it is going to be giving us a very good opportunity to be entering a good Bitcoin trade at low levels, because eventually we are going to be seeing a bigger bounce and we are going to be returning towards the upside because the long-term charts are saying so. Now, I need to be talking about this exactly a little bit later, about this last wave towards the upside. But first of all, yes, if we are going to be seeing this downside move, it is going to be giving us an insane opportunity in the market. Do keep that in mind. Now, if we are already going to be breaking towards the upside right now, yes, I also do think we are going to be seeing a massive move and this last wave towards the upside getting created. So yes, inside of this consolidation range, this is going to be a massive opportunity if we are either going to be breaking towards the downside or if we are going to be breaking towards the upside right now. It is going to be a massive opportunity, and this is going to be a very important level of resistance to be having a look in towards, because if we can be breaking this one over here, we are going to be breaking this massive megaphone pattern towards the upside. This is going to be a bullish biased pattern. So if we are going to be breaking this one towards the upside, next week is going to be an extremely bullish week for Bitcoin. I think we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, and then we can be getting this push towards the upside like I've been talking about. Now, on top of that, we are also having this symmetrical triangle over here. So yes, of course, if we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, we are going to be indeed getting that massive push towards the upside. Now, just a break towards the downside, of course, is also going to be possible, but that is going to be giving us that ultimate and best opportunity in the market. So I'm okay with both scenarios right now playing out. Anyways, Bitcoin is actually still trading inside of this downtrend on that daily time frame, so do keep that in mind. Anyways, if we are going to be printing a new higher low right now, because that could be possible, just like we did over here. If we are going to be printing this new higher low, well, in that case, we are definitely going to be seeing a bigger bounce and a bigger move being created. But of course, first of all, we need to be breaking above this level of resistance. Then we can be confirming this higher low, in my opinion. So yes, we are just getting massive opportunities right now in the market. We are creating in that longer time frame a massive bull flag pattern. So this is just going to be a massive opportunity if we are going to be getting another crash, because do still keep in mind that the majority of the market is right now trading short, so all of the liquidity is piling up on the top side, and that is just adding more fuel to be going towards the upside. And because of that, I actually do think it is actually going to be more likely that we are already going to be seeing this move towards the upside getting created, and this break towards the upside. I think that is going to be more likely, also because the majority of the market is right now extremely fearful. Like, I do not know how you can be fearful at these levels. I am actually the opposite of fearful. I'm very greedy at these levels. I actually want to be buying as many coins as possible at these low levels. Whenever other people are fearful, I see it literally as a gift. I'm literally grateful for this opportunity to buy altcoins and Bitcoin still at these low prices while others are fearful. I'm literally grateful for this gift we are seeing right now. That is how I look at it right now. If you're already going to be breaking towards the upside, that is fine. Now, if we are still going to be seeing another move towards the downside, well, I'm going to be opening up a massive Bitcoin position like I've been talking about for the past couple of days. So my strategy is going to be very clear, very simple, and very straightforward over here. So make sure to be prepared for next week, because next week probably is going to be a massive week for Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in preparing yourself as well and trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And on top of that, if you use that first link down below, you can also claim a 500 US dollar trade completely for free on top of your 30k deposit bonus. So all you need to do is just sign up a new account with that link down below and complete KYC level 1, and there you go, you can be claiming this free position. So make sure to be checking it out with the first link down below. Make sure to prepare yourself for next week. Anyways, guys, Bitcoin is currently heavily being shorted. The funding rates are at the lowest point of the year, like you can be seeing on this chart over here. On Binance they are negative, on Bybit they are negative, Vertex, BitGet, all of these exchanges, they've been negative for a very long amount of time. So right now funding rates are spiking negative. The majority of the Bitcoin traders are trading short, which is just adding more liquidity on that top side, which is just adding more fuel towards the upside to be getting a massive short squeeze and a massive push towards the upside. That is what right now is going on. During this dip towards the downside, well, everyone is literally still fearful, but while others are actually fearful, we are the opposite, and we are grateful for this opportunity we are getting right now in the market. Anyways, guys, if you want to be knowing more about what I think about that longer term vision for right now for Bitcoin, about this last wave I've been talking about, because I have a very clear understanding of what is about to happen in that longer term for Bitcoin. Well, guys, I've just uploaded a new video for members only. I just want to be trying out this option over here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as a member only, platinum member, and then you can be watching this video over here. I have a very clear overview of what I think is going to be happening in this longer term. You do not want to be missing out on this video over here. We are about to make an insane amount of money in this last part of the cycle. I've been talking about that exactly in this video over here. Also about my bull market targets, literally about everything you need to be knowing in that longer term. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is definitely 100% going to be worth it. But with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, we'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.